Hello everyone, today we are installing the 2015 to 2017 Ford Performance door sills that are found on the GT350. As a base model Mustang GT owner with the 300A package, it only comes with a black ABS door sill, unlike the 400A package that gives you the illumination that pairs with the sync lighting. First, simply start by prying on the door scuff panel on the inside. It should pop free. There are several different clips that need to be removed to gain access to basically the edge of the door sill that sits underneath the weather stripping. There are exactly 2 clips on this panel holding the old sill plate in. For time's sake, I went ahead and removed them. There is a clip here, which that piece remains lodged in there. There is some double-sided tape, I assume 3M, and then this one actually came off with the panel as it should. So, easy enough. That one's out. All we need to do is remove this tape, get this final clip out, and then we're ready for install. Upon removal of the door sill plate, I do recommend using an appropriate panel popper or a quick removal tool. They can be bought at like any local hardware store, tool store. Little plastic, yellow, different colors. Mine were yellow. I did use a flathead screwdriver to remove this, and it ended up popping off its tab. As you can see, the original Mustang and the Ford Performance version are identical in length, almost the same texture, maybe a little slightly different texture to it, but that Ford Performance is going to make your car look way sportier. Now, if I have already starting to peel the 3M adhesive off, if you're lucky enough, you should be able just to roll it off and it should come intact. If it doesn't and it starts to peel or break, you can always use a adhesive remover or mineral spirits, anything to clear this surface. But we want this surface to be as clear as possible so that way we can lay down the new adhesive strip that comes with the new door sills. Now, once you have removed the 3M adhesive, make sure that you clean this up. To promote good adhesion, you should probably clean this with like an alcohol prep pad or some sort of detergent cleaning agent that will remove the residue. For the most part, this came out pretty clean. You can see a little bit of wear marks where the old door sill mounted up, but that should be covered again by the new sill plate as we install it. Now, as described before earlier, the Ford Performance one comes with the identical clips, so it'll pop right in, 1 and 2, and then it comes with its own adhesion promoter. I'm not sure if it's like a 3M or whatnot, but it replaces the factory filament that was placed on the car. All right, and there you have it. All you have to do is line up the 2 push pins, push it in, make sure it sits flush, make sure the adhesive gets a good bond onto the actual body of the car, and that's it. And we'll put our trim back together and it should be finished up from there. And there you have it, folks. Installed, nice and new, just like it's supposed to belong. Repeat the exact same steps on the other side. You may have a little bit of trouble aligning the weather stripping when putting it back in. It sits inside of a clip, and the other side of the clip tucks into the vehicle. So but other than that, you shouldn't run into any problems. I hope you enjoyed this.